Just finished 12th, wondering if AI is your next career option? Get your complete answer right now. AI engineers now earn more than doctors and lawyers, and demand is exploding fast. India needs 1 million AI experts by 2030. Only 2 lakh exist. Your golden window. I'll reveal the exact 7-step roadmap, top courses, hottest jobs, and real salary numbers. Step 1. Your stream in 12th is everything. Right pick saves you 2 full years. Best pick, science with PCM and computer science. Math is AI's secret language. Commerce or arts? Relax. A clear path exists, you just need 3 extra months. Step 2. Right degree multiplies your starting salary 3 to 4 times. Choose wisely. Top pick, BTech in AI, CS, or data science. 4 years, highest placement rates. Smart alternative, BSc in data science or AI, 3 years, half cost, great placements. Budget pick, bootcamp like LogicMojo, total under 1 lakhs with top-tier outcomes. Honest truth, bootcamp with industry AI projects beats a fancy degree with 0 projects. Step 3, master 8 core skills, where 90% of beginners get completely lost. Skill 1, Python, AI's mother tongue. Every framework runs on top of it. Skill 2, math, linear algebra, calculus, probability. Skip this, career stops at junior. Skill 3, statistics and the brain of every model, distributions, variance, hypothesis testing. Skill 4, machine learning, regression, classification, clustering, how machines actually learn. Skill 5, deep learning, neural networks, CNNs, transformers. The real magic happens here. Skill 6, generative AI, hottest skill of 2026. Master LLMs, RAG, and prompts. Skill 7, frameworks, TensorFlow, PyTorch, LangChain, Hugging Face, your AI superpowers. Skill 8, cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP. Every production AI model runs on cloud. Step 4, build projects. Recruiters skip mark sheets and read your GitHub directly. Start simple. Movie recommender, spam classifier, stock predictor. 3 interview magnets. Level up, custom chat GPT, AI image generator, voice cloning, you're in the top 5%. Push everything to GitHub daily. Your green contribution graph is the new resume. Step 5, Kaggle, break into top 10% and Google recruiters will DM you directly. Step 6, land internships, even unpaid ones. Real exposure beats every certificate course. Apply on LinkedIn, Internshala, Unstop, AngelList. 100 applications, 5 solid interviews. Step 7, crack interviews, DSA, system design, ML case studies, final boss battle. Now the dream. Top 7 AI jobs paying massive salaries in India today. Job 1, ML engineer, build models powering millions. CTC 12 to 25 lakh. Job 2, data scientist, turn data into business gold. CTC 15 to 30 lakh. Job 3, AI engineer, build Gen AI apps, integrate LLMs. CTC up to 35 lakh. Job 4, Gen AI developer, chatbots, content generation, AI assistants, prompt-based applications. CTC 14 to 28 lakh. Job 5, AI agent developer, autonomous AI workflows, task automation, tool-using agents, multi-step reasoning systems. CTC 1632 lakh. Job 6, MLOps engineer, deploy and scale production AI. CTC 18 to 40 lakh. Job 7, prompt engineer, newest goldmine, write smart prompts, earn up to 30 lakh. Now the real numbers, exact AI salaries by experience level in India today. Fresher with projects, CTC 815 lakh at startups, 1828 lakh at top companies. 2 to 3 years experience, CTC 18 to 35. Lakh is the skilled professional range. 5+ years senior, CTC 40 to 80 lakh at Microsoft, Google, Adobe, Amazon India. Senior AI architects easily cross CTC 1 crore. No longer a dream, clear path. Top recruiters, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Adobe, Flipkart, Swiggy, Razorpay, Fractal. Want US remote work? AI freshers from India earn CTC 50 to 80 lakh in dollars. Brutal truth, 90% of AI aspirants fail, all making the same 3 fatal mistakes. Mistake 1, watching endless tutorials without building anything. Stop the tutorial trap today. Mistake 2, skipping math because it feels hard. Your career hits a wall fast. Mistake 3, learning alone, no guidance. This slows your career down by 3 years. The fix? Structured curriculum, expert mentors, serious hands-on projects from day one. This is why LogicMojo built India's #1 AI course, designed for 12th pass students. LogicMojo's AI program is built by IIT alumni and FANG engineers. Zero fluff. Zero coding background? Master Python, ML, Deep Learning, Gen AI, MLOps step-by-step. Build 10+ real-world projects, get one-on-one mentorship, mock interviews, placement support. LogicMojo 12th Pass students now work at Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Flipkart. Average package CTC 18 lakh, highest CTC 67 lakh. All verified, real, transparent. Entering college, drop year, or switching streams, LogicMojo's AI course fits perfectly. Don't wait. Start your high-paying AI career today with LogicMojo. Link is in the description. Quick recap: right stream, strong degree, and master the 8 core AI skills. Build projects, dominate Kaggle, land internships, crack interviews, target high-paying AI roles. Every AI engineer earning 1 crore today started exactly where you are right now.